Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is March 29th and the chart of the day for today is S&P. Here is a 30 minutes time frame. SPX is a cash instrument here. Now we can see we ended with 3 in the minute degree, where 4 ended here, and now from here we're looking to complete a 5 waves up. Right now we already have a new high above this previous peak here. We're still calling it extension higher, but to be honest, I think at this point, based on the structure here and the count, it's a little bit risky to keep chasing. It doesn't mean you should short sell. We don't recommend short sell at all, and we can continue to see more upside, but structure wise it seems prudent for now to wait for I think a larger pullback, because this peak here, for example, could have already ended 5 instead of 105, could have ended 5 here, could have ended 5 in the black as well, and then can see a bigger pullback as a result. All right, so if I zoom out and put the label into a higher time frame, here you got your wave 3 and the 4 here. Now if we just take a look at the daily time frame for a second, now you can clearly see an extension. The last significant sort of connector or pullback is this one, and then from here it looks to be within the same cycle right now. And yeah, so you can see that we have what looks like a sequence of 1 2 1 2 or a nest. And yeah, of course, if we measure it from here, we can indeed extend still maybe to the 1.618, right, if we count this as 1 2. But of course, wave 3 doesn't always go to a full 161.8, right? It can always finish before then and then starts to do pullback. So I think if you look at this structure here, yes, it can continue to see more upside, and as long as it stays above this trend line. But this trend line is a very steep trend line, so at the moment you see a pullback that breaks below this trend line that I draw here, you can consider this cycle to be complete from this low. And if this cycle is complete, then you should be correcting this cycle in the same sort of distribution and size as this one. So if you consider this as a 1 2, this peak here, whichever, you know, it can extend higher like I said, but if it breaks below this rising channel here, then that could be your 3 already ending, and then you can see a 4 which is similar in the distribution and size of this one, and it can go around 23.6 38.2% retracement of this rally here. So as you can see, we can go back to somewhere around this area, provided that I'm assuming here we go down from here, but of course shorter cycle it can actually continue higher before pulling back and breaking. So again, this channel here, you can use it as your guideline to see whether or not this cycle is ending or whether this cycle can continue to go up. All right, so if I look at the daily though, can it continue to extend higher? Yes. So is it a good thing to keep chasing the upside at the moment? Probably not, right? Probably not. With the, I mean, it's kind of a little bit too late. If you want to be long index, then you should have been long you know, many days or weeks ago, instead of trying to chase it now, right? But overall, again, there's no sign it's stopping out. There's no reason to speculate we are ending and will be doing a larger pullback. So we can continue to see more upside as a result in the shorter cycle. But at the moment you see it pulls back and break below this rising channel, so that's you can conclude, okay, we're going to do a bigger correction in the degree of this, in the same distribution and size of this, and then you can from that point on waiting for a little bit bigger pullback if you want to jump again into the long side. Now of course we never ever don't recommend short selling or trying to pick the top here in the S&P. Okay, so for now, calling extension higher, but structure wise it's time to be a little bit prudent and in terms of chasing it to the upside, because it could be ending a larger degree cycle and starts to see a bigger pullback. All right, so that's the update from the S&P, and as always, if you want to get more updates on S&P or any other stock, indices, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.